How to fix unpackaging resources errors in Mobile Legends. Here's how. First of all, open your device settings, scroll down and select apps. Next, click on the Manage App option and type Mobile Legends in the search bar to find the game. Once you are there, open the app details. Here choose Storage. Then click on the eraser icon at the bottom. After that, select Clear Data and confirm by tapping OK. If the error still continues, open the Play Store app and search for Mobile Legends. Then hit the Uninstall button and confirm your action when prompted. Once the app is removed, press Install to download the latest version. And there you go. I hope this video helped.